What's for dinner? Pizza. But we're not buying pizza, we're making pizza. Homemade tortilla pizzas. Let me show you what you're going to need to make these. You're going to need to start out with a couple tortilla shells. Your ingredients are up to you. I'm using pepperoni mushroom. You're going to need some pizza sauce. And if you've seen my channel before, you know that I don't buy shredded cheese. We shredded our own off the block because purchased shredded cheese has a caking agent on it and it just doesn't turn out as good. So the first thing we're going to do is get these in the oven for a minute or two and brown them. That's how we get the nice, thin, crispy crust. So we're going to throw these in the oven, brown them just a little bit, then we're going to assemble everything. Okay, these aren't brown, but they're starting to get crispy and fluffy, so we're going to get them out. And onto the baking stone. See, they're kind of puffy, but they are crispy. It's perfect, just the way we want them. So the first thing we're going to do is get some pizza sauce on here. And of course, how much sauce depends on how saucy you like your pizza. Just spread it around with a spoon. With the bubbles, it makes it a little more difficult to spread this sauce, but we're used to being challenged, so we can overcome. All right. Now you can put your ingredients on top or underneath the cheese. I like putting them on top, that way they kind of crisp up a little bit. And I like a lot of cheese. All right, let's get some pepperoni on there. Again, how many ingredients and how much you like is going to depend on how you actually construct yours. I like to have a pepperoni in every bite, if possible. If you have fresh mushrooms, they work too, but we don't, so we're just going to use some mushrooms out of the can. You can also throw some fresh oregano on here if you have it. Change this up. Feel free to modify this any way you want. The most important thing is this thin, crispy tortilla shell. Alright, those look good. Let's get this back in the oven. The oven's at 425 and we're going to cook these till the cheese is melted and it's kind of brown and bubbly. All right, I think these are ready. Oh yeah, look at that. Nice and bubbly cheese, crispy shells. We're gonna let these cool just for a couple minutes because that's gonna be like napalm in our mouths. All right, so we let these cool down just a little bit and you can see how crispy that crust is. So we're gonna cut these in quarters. Cut them however you like. Some people like squares, some people like triangles. It really just depends on what shape you want your pizza. It really doesn't change the flavor. And the most important thing here is we're gonna have to taste these. And I'm kind of afraid. Those look pretty hot. But we'll wait. They're hot. Okay, finally. I think this is cool enough that it's not going to scorch my mouth. At least I hope. Wow. That's amazing. Still crispy, like I said. You can hear that break off. Now I got sauce all over my face, but before I finish this pizza, I just want to thank you for stopping by my channel. Click that thumbs up, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, click the notification bell, and you'll get notifications when I post new videos. Thanks for stopping. Have a great day. Paddy Joe, here's to you. Thin crust tortilla pizzas as you asked. Cheers.